Hi guys, I'm back again. This is the December 11th tutorial on December 11. I have just jumped straight into the next tutorial because I had a look at what it's about and it looked too much fun to not do straight away. So this is going to be about a tilt sensor, and it makes me think of a piece of wearable technology I bought recently, which was a posture monitor that you put on your back, sort of in between your shoulder blades, and you stand up straight, and on the phone, on your iPhone, it sort of tells you whether you're standing straight or whether you're slouching, like I'm slouching now. But it's really cool technology for training your posture, and this tilt sensor, if I'm correct, it reminds me of what that is going to be. So let's jump straight into it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to use, I need to open up bag 11, don't I? That's here we go, bag 11. And see what we've got here. So this is our tilt sensor. Alright, so we've got two pins of the same length, like a gold coated cylinder here, very light. And we need to connect pin 2 to this. So let me just pop that down there for a moment. Pin number 2, just here. It says the tilt switch isn't polarized, so you can plug it into either its two legs, which is great news. Oh, bend. Whoops, that's not great. Alrighty, we're still here. I didn't know if this had to go up the full way or not. Won't force it. Alright, and now we're going to connect the other cord to the ground. Okay, so ground just here. And gentle this time. Push it on, and there we go. Beautiful. So we're connected to pin 2. We're also connected to the ground. And that's it in terms of connecting things up. Now it's all about the code. So we're going to copy in this code. Arduino time. And we'll upload that. See how we go. Here comes the wind. And it's done uploading. So it says, now when you move the sensor up and down, the ball will roll and the built-in LED on pin 13, should turn on. We will turn the pin 13 light on. Oh, okay, the little light there, right. So there's a little, looks like a little LED near number 13 there. So this is saying when you move the sensor up and down, there it goes, the light turned on. Sensor up, sensor down, sensor up. Wow. This is good. Good posture, bad posture. Good posture, bad posture. Oops. Good, bad. Wow, that's awesome. So let's have a look at the code again just to see why that made it happen. Okay, so the LED pin, this is saying when it's going to turn on, and so it's really just relying on the sort of tilt to recognize what's low and what's high. And I think there's a little diagram here that explains how that's going to come about. And so there are tiny little balls inside this that roll down and touch the two contacts when it's up, and then turns off when it's down. Yeah, I can feel the slightest movement inside there now. Wow. Maybe I could make my own posture monitor using this. Terrific. Well, that was a nice little short activity. It just says here at the end of this guide, you'll be able to hook up, oh yeah, that's what we just did. Terrific. Oh, well, that's awesome. Nice little short activity, but that was a lot of fun. I'm going to show my daughter that later. We'll have a little play, and I know certainly you could then extend the code to do anything, like when this is turned off, to start the buzzer making a particular sound, or to turn on other LEDs depending on how it's hooked up. That's what I'm really looking forward to playing around with after going through the activities, learning about how those things can interplay and experiment further. So thank you for being with me for this activity, and I'll see you tomorrow for December 12th.